This is a GHK replica of the HBAR AUG A2. Because of the AUG's modularity, it can actually be swapped out for a rather different configuration. Well, this is a normal 20-inch rifle configuration, however with a substantial amount of internal work, a steel Hephaestus barrel, and a gas block from a real AUG. With just a few operations, it can be modified to replace the barrel with a 20-inch Ratworks bipoded replica of a Steyr light machine gun barrel. On top of that, the trigger pack can be removed. And replaced with a homemade open bolt, full auto only trigger pack. And lastly, the default 30-round magazine replaced with a homemade high cap, HPA tapped, intended to replicate the design of the Steyr 45-round light machine gun magazine, allowing this to be used as a full auto only light machine gun, firing exclusively from an open bolt at approximately 900 rounds per minute.
Now, this is my favorite version of the AUG, period.
Took a substantial amount of work. I've had some requests to replicate it for other people. Unfortunately, no one just sells the 24-inch HBAR barrel on its own. Unfortunately, it's a fair amount of work to replicate the magazine. I have a time-lapse video on the Explosive Enterprises channel of how that was done. And unfortunately, the trigger pack was also something of a one-off job. So this is very much a one-of-a-kind piece, as far as I know. No one else has replicated the light machine gun variant, but it seems to perform quite well. Now this entire package for the GHK AUG, including the LMG parts, the rifle configuration, the carbine configuration, normal magazines, and the custom-made high caps for it, are on our site, internal modifications, cost around $2,000 USD all told. Turns out that a real Steyr AUG costs about $2,000 as well. Just a fun little congruence. Now if you want to know more about the GHK AUG, we actually have a full video on all the details of it in our channel, Explosive Enterprises Airsoft. And you can always find more pictures on our Facebook page. Yeah, you better hide.
Favorite piece out of everything here?
Oh, favorite piece? I mean, I gotta say, as far as rifles, it has to be the Steyr AUG. This is just a really nice rifle. I mean, kind of hard to actually shoot anything with the scope sights, but 1.5 times optic. This is a 40th anniversary one, so it's got the A3 internals, but old style scope. No manual bolt release, but it's just generally a really nicely made rifle.
Everyone should have one.
You can get a better AR for the price, but it still wouldn't be an AUG. But I gotta say, probably tough competition from the Uzi, which I actually manufactured this myself. It's a legally registered short-barreled rifle, and this was made from a parts kit, a McKay Enterprises flat that I bent myself. Yeah,